Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shania, and today's video is going to be on this cute little, I don't really know what to call it. It's just like a warm orangey summery look. Is it summery? I don't know. It's just a look, I guess. I don't know. I haven't filmed a video in a really long time doing my makeup, so I thought today would be the day to do it. So yeah, I really love the way this look came out. It's nice and matte and cute, like I like it. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to be starting off by doing my face makeup first because the eyes are going to be like pretty simple. I just wanted to do like a cute, fun summer look today. So yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna put my hair back because we're gonna do the face first. So this is gonna be like me basically like showing you guys my like newer updated routine. I've changed up the way I've been doing my makeup lately because I feel like it's more efficient for me. So I'm gonna show y'all what's good, babe. Like always, I'm gonna be using my No Problem primer. Is it focused? I hope it is. But yeah, I'm gonna be using my No Problem primer from Touch and Soul, and I'm just gonna apply this to the face. And I like to go in with my foundation brush and just like blend it into the skin. I don't know, I just kind of like doing this more than using my fingers. What I do, I actually go in with concealer, like a base layer of concealer. So I like to take my Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline in the shade Hazelnut, and I like to go over some like acne scars that I have and like really conceal those first, and like I take it under my eye as well. Love that. We really do. Then, oh my god, I can't find the top for this. Oh well. Then I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade Deep Golden 368. Yep. And I take a little bit of that. I'm gonna have something in my eye. Like, why do I keep having something in my eye? And I just apply it on the face. And then I kind of just like buff it into the concealer that I have laid down. I don't know, I just really been liking this way of doing my base makeup. I feel like it's been coming out super flawless. I'm sure like a lot of people do their makeup like this, but I was just never the type to do my concealer first. But this is like my new thing, baby. Like, I love doing this. Yeah, and I haven't used a beauty blender in so long. I kind of just like, I'm so over beauty blenders. So I really like using a foundation brush to just buff everything in. You feel me? I'm gonna go in with some more concealer under the eyes. I'm gonna take my ColourPop concealer in the shade Dark 46. Just like a little bit of that right there. And on the nose as well. And the lips. And then I take my master, what is this? Why do I keep calling it Master Chrome? I'm gonna take my Instant Age Rewinder again and just apply a little bit more concealer under the eyes. Just to like mix the two in. I really like this combo. I'm gonna take this Luxie 512 small contouring brush and I'm gonna buff out this concealer. Okay, now that the concealer is nice and buffed out, we're gonna set all of this with our CMA No Color Powder, literally my favorite powder. Okay, now I like to take a big fluffy brush. This is Royal Landnickel brush, I think, from Moda. And I just take a little bit of that No Color Powder, just a tiny bit. And I just press it all over the face just to make sure the foundation doesn't really move. It never really moves, but I still like to put it there just for extra insurance, you feel me? Now I'm going to take my Dewy Set setting spray from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I'm going to go in and bronze up my face with my Hoola Toasted Bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm going to take the, what is this? Oh, this is just the bronzer brush. When I first saw this bronzer, when I got it, when I was on my trip, I looked at it and I was like, girl, I'm scared. Because I've never tried Benefit's face products before, just their brow product. So I was like, girl, this is not gonna fit my skin tone, so I'm not even gonna try it. But then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it. Then I looked at it, I was like, wait, this could really work. So here we are. This is my new favorite bronzer, so we love that. I wanted to do like an orangey type of vibe, so I'm going to take my Carity Blush Balm and Coral Boom, and I'm going to take these two, and I'm going to show you guys what I do because I don't use highlighter. So I take the matte blush first, and I just pop that on the cheeks, and I really like form it into the bronzer as well, so it doesn't look like it's misplaced, you know? Okay, now with a different brush, what brush should I take? Okay, I'm gonna take my Sigma Spotlight Duster brush, and I like to take the more shimmery bronzer, the more shimmery blush, and I put that on top, and I really focus that on like the higher points of the cheekbones, so it can look like I'm wearing highlighter, but I'm really not, because it's just like a shimmery blush situation. I don't know, I just feel like highlighter is so in the past, you know? I feel like no highlighter suits my face more. Like, it's just a matte look. It's just like everything. So that's what I live for, honey. I vibe with that look. You know, I'm gonna contour my nose, and I'm gonna show you guys what I've also been doing to like make my nose contour look better. Take my Hoola bronzer and I dip in there. And then I start contouring the nose, and then I blend it up into the brow. I feel like this makes my makeup look so bomb when I do this. I blend it up into the brow right here. Not too crazy, so you don't look like you have like a unibrow or something, but I just blend it right up there. And like, when I say it makes such a difference in my makeup, yeah, I love this technique. Just like blend it right here. This looks so good. And it makes sense to blend it up there because your nose doesn't stop right here. Like, your nose bone kind of just like goes right there into the brow. So it makes sense to blend the contour up there. So I'm gonna take some concealer to prime my eyes a bit, just a little bit of concealer. And I'm gonna take this Anastasia A5 brush to blend this concealer out. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm gonna take this orange shade right here in the middle, and I'm gonna pop that all over the lid. I'm really pressing it so I can get the most pigments out of the shade. And then I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and just blend the edges here. I'm gonna take a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm gonna take this like richer burnt orange shade. I'm gonna define the crease in the outer third of the eye. Hopefully this like actually does something. Now I'm gonna go in with a deeper brown and really define the crease a bit more. This Anastasia A3 brush, I'm gonna take like a creamish beige shade and I'm just gonna apply that right here in the inner part of the lid, just to like slightly cut our crease here, just to like give it a little bit of definition. Then last step for this eye, I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow and just smoke the outer third out just a little bit. Just a teeny bit. Really close to that lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Bad Gal Bang mascara and apply those to my lashes. I really love this mascara. Like, it's actually so bomb. Like, we really love it. Actually, I'm gonna curl my lashes first. Real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right. Okay, I went ahead and did the other eye off camera and popped on some lashes. The lashes that I'm wearing today are from this brand called V Beauty, and they are V_beauty store on Instagram. And I think they're like a smaller brand. They like messaged me on Instagram because I was asking you guys like where I should get some cute lashes from, and they sent me some, and these are in the shade Sassy. They're really bomb. I had to cut them a little because they're a little bit too long, but I love the style. Like, I love these type of fluttery, fluffy lashes. So we live for it. We live it. We live it. We love it. I decided I want to put a little bit of yellow in the inner corner. So I'm actually going to take my Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. The brush I'm using is literally so rough. Now for lips, what am I gonna do? Always do the same thing. I'm gonna line my lips with my NYX Espresso lip liner, of course. So I'm going to take two different lipsticks. The first one I'm going to take is this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Latte. These are hella matte. I never tried them before. And I'm going to take this Colored Rain lipstick in the shade Charmed. And it's like a lighter color. Put that in the center. Take this Urban Decay lip gloss, this Hi-Fi Shine lip gloss in the shade Fuel. It's like perfect nude gloss. Yes. Okay guys, so this is it for today's look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't, don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe because your girl is still trying to hit 10K. I'm almost at 9,000, which is amazing. So thank you guys so much for being here. So yeah, if I don't forget, I will leave all the products in the description box down below. If I do forget, don't be afraid to remind me because I literally always forget. I'm so sorry about it. But yeah, you guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all at Makeupbyshaniah, and I'll see you guys in the next video.